Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Next, we have to make a heart. Draw a line and make the lines like this and make a gown like shape. Fill it with the pink color like this. Now, on the top, make the shoulder and the hands of a girl. Make her face. Make the hairs, ears, eyes, nose and the mouth of the girl. Make her hairs like this. Make a crown and it's done. Next, we have to make the face like this. Make the ears as shown in the video. Now after that we have to make the heart shape like this or just make the face of another person. Now join it like this. So here a father and a son is together. Son is sitting on the shoulder of the father. So you can see how beautiful it's done. Next, don't forget to make the legs of it. You can also color it if you want. Here we have just shown the shoulder and the legs and the body of the boy. You can color it like this and it's done. Next, we have to make the person standing in a queue. So we have to take different color dots like this. So you can see, now make their hairs with the black dots. Make their hairs, hands and legs with the black marker only. Make the shadow with the help of the earbuds like this. So you can see how we have done it. And it's done. I hope you liked it. Next, we have to make the ears, face and the hairs of a girl. Now, draw the hairs on the top. Make its eyes and then the specks on the eyes of it. Now, we have to make his hands and legs. So you can see, now, make a dress like this. Make a diamond in the between. So here, your Superman. Now, make its legs and it's done. So your Superman is wearing a specs and color it and it's done. Next, moving forward, we have to draw the lines like this. Make the face, ears, eyes, nose and the mouth of a girl. Make her body like this. Make a bow as shown in the video. Draw the lines and then complete the body. Make her gown. Draw the lines and then make her hands like this. Now after that, we have to complete the hairs and then make a crown on the top. Now after that, make her hairs, color it and it's done. Next, we have to draw the lines and then we have to make the ears like this. Make the face, eyes, nose and the mouth. Now make the hairs of the boy. Now complete its shoulder, neck and then make his shirt or t-shirt and it's done. Now we have to write the letter J and 2 zeros. Draw the lines like this to make the face of an old man. Draw a circle, make her hairs and the ears. Complete its body and the hands and legs like this. Now, we'll be making an old lady near it. So draw a pink circle, make her hairs. So here we are making a couple of an old man and an old lady. Make their hairs, eyes, ears and then complete the body of the old lady. Draw his or her hands and legs like this and it's done. Next, we have to draw the letter like this. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 and it's done. Thanks for watching.